In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change my Google One subscription plan. First, open your browser and search Google One. Type Google One into the search bar, then let the results load. You should see several results related to Google storage and membership. Look for the official Google One entry, which usually has a short description about expanded storage and extra features. If you are signed into your Google account in this browser, you are already halfway there, since Google One will automatically connect to that account once you open it. Now, click the correct result for Google One. This will be the one that clearly says Google One and shows it is from Google. When you click it, the Google One homepage opens. If you are not signed in yet, you may be prompted to log into your Google account before the main page appears. Once it loads, you will see your current storage summary, often with a color bar showing how much space is used and how much is still free. Next, click Storage from the options on the left. This menu is usually a vertical list along the left side of the screen. When you click Storage, the main panel changes to focus on how your storage is being used across Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. You will also see your current Google One plan, such as the amount of storage included and the billing frequency. This section is where you can compare your existing plan to the other plans Google offers. After that, review the available options, then click Upgrade. Scroll through the list of plans and pay attention to the storage amounts and whether they are billed monthly or yearly. Larger plans cost more, but give extra space for things like high-resolution photos and large files. A helpful detail here is that Google usually highlights your current plan, so you can easily see what you have now versus what you might switch to. Once you find the plan that fits your needs, click the Upgrade button next to that plan. When you click it, a confirmation window or page opens with more billing details. Finally, review the change to be made and what card it will be charged to, then click Subscribe. On this screen, confirm the new storage amount and how often you will be billed. Check the payment method line and make sure the card shown is the one you want to use. If the wrong card appears, do not continue until the correct one is selected, so the charge goes where you expect. You may also see the date the new plan starts and how it affects your next renewal. Once everything looks right, click Subscribe. The page will briefly process, then your Google One plan updates, and the new storage amount appears in your account summary. You have now successfully changed your Google One subscription plan to a new storage level that better fits your needs. If this helped you adjust your Google One storage, a quick thumbs up would really help others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more straightforward guides.